Amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, the owners purchased this former multifamily dwelling without ever setting foot inside. A dilapidated structure, yet with a charming facade. Envisioning a complete renovation meant the building could be tailored entirely to their preferences. Location was also a non-issue. A southeast-facing urban garden with the view of a church, a walking park, and 2 beautiful old beech trees meant no concerns about rear neighbors. The 2 outdated apartments were transformed into a single-family home, crowned with an additional floor during the renovation. This not only harmonized with the streetscape, but also provided the opportunity to optimize all spaces for long-term occupancy. An initial plan focused on preserving the main load-bearing structures quickly gave way to a complete overhaul. At one point, only the front facade and partition walls remained standing. Through well-chosen modifications and a focus on priorities, efforts were made to introduce as much natural light as possible into the narrow row house. With a net width of 4.75 meters and a depth of 16 meters, the central dark section was particularly addressed. Vertical circulation was relocated to the center of the house, creating a light shaft. Additional skylights were installed, and the large front and back windows ensure a light-filled experience throughout the entire house. With a preference for color and natural materials, the interventions were carefully selected. At the project's outset, several finishes and craftsmen were already secured, forming the foundation upon which the project would later be built. Extensive self-construction work allowed us to invest in the technical and energetic aspects of the house, as well as its aesthetic appeal, creating a sustainable home